Alexander, thank you very much. Delighted to be moderating today's discussion, and I hope that we can have a lively exchange and get a good number of questions in from our audience. I believe that this is a very important moment in the legislative process and makes the event very timely today. As I hope most participants know, the Buildings Directive and the Energy Efficiency Directive, along with many other aspects of the Energy Union plan, are being revised at the moment. And we're seeing negotiations going on inside the European Parliament. We have the Council that have adopted its general approach. And throughout the negotiations, we've seen that finance has always been a central issue. Indeed, in many countries, finance is one of the elements first mentioned by ministers or by heads of state, and they mention it in the frame of it being a barrier to their level of ambition. So for that reason, we, at least here at AJoyce and Renovate Europe, were very happy with the Smart Financing for Smart Buildings initiative, and it's an important move. However, I think it's kind of still not yet center stage. It's kind of still under the radar. So I'm really delighted that OpenExp and Yamina Zaheb have taken the effort to analyze it and examine its strengths and weaknesses, and to put forward a critical appraisal of the initiative for debate in the public realm. And to my knowledge, today is one of the very first debates on this initiative. So without any further comment from my part, let's get the meat of the webinar on the table, and I invite Yamina to make her presentation to us. She was a policy and scientific officer on renewables and energy efficiency in the Joint Research Centre, and before that she was a policy analyst at the International Energy Agency. She has a PhD in energy engineering, a master's degree in landscape architecture and development economics, and an engineering degree in building technologies, making Yamina a very well-placed researcher for the task in hand. So Yamina, I pass over to you for your